Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a drop-down menu in Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Squarespace, just click on the Create Account option in the upper right corner. And from here, you can continue using your Google account, your business or working email, or you might want to click on the more options wherein you can continue with Apple, you can continue with Facebook, and then you are all set. Now, once you are logged into your dashboard, adding a drop-down menu in Squarespace is a very straightforward process. Now, the interface might be different from what I have, but if you are still following, just go to the left side panel of your dashboard and go to Pages. And from here, as you can see, now if you wanted to tidy up some things right here, the course introduction, become a content expert, and a lot more, you might want to need to hover down to this main navigation option so that you can add a drop-down menu. And for you to be able to do that, as you can see, the main navigation is empty for now. Just click on the plus button. Click on it, and then you need to hover down to where it says folder. There you go. Or in my case, that's going to be a drop down, because as you can see, when you click on the drop down menu, it says you can organize and show pages, and that's where the drop down menu comes in. Now from here, you can drag and drop all of these information here in this section. There you go. Now you can rename this now you can rename this new drop down by clicking on the cog icon setting and just save it. All right. And again, if you are not satisfied with this drop-down menu, just click on this option again and click on delete drop-down. All right. Now from here again, you can basically just hover down here so you can add the navigation process. And that's it, right? Now, that's the straightforward process on how to add a drop-down menu in Squarespace. I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.